Good morning, guys, and Happy New Year. This is my 2018 Vulcan S 650. It's been customized. It used to be matte black. I've done it black cherry color, as you can see. I've got a few mods done to it. I've got the front headlight, a round headlight with the small indicators. I've got the adjustable brake and clutch levers. The original handlebars have just been lowered to the max, so they just missed the tank at full lock. The original mirrors have actually been cut about an inch, so you got better view behind you, not on your shoulders. It's got the carbon wrap on most of the bike, as you can see. It blends in well with the black cherry. It's got the Savage lowering kit. It's about a 2-inch drop, and I've dropped the actual front forks as well, as you can see. Normal is up the top. It's got a original seat that's been customized, refoamed, and with a gel insert. It's got a 180 rear tire on it. I'll try and find the number wherever it is. As you can see from behind, it's a 180. What do you think of the black cherry paint? It's a unique colour for a Vulcan. The bike's only travelled 8,000 kilometres. It's got a local custom exhaust made, as you can see, and then it's just been painted to the engine, so there's no more chrome exhaust. It's got the radiator support, the cover there. It's just a new look for the New Year's for 2022. God bless everyone and have a safe new year, and hope it gets better this year. God bless.